Hello. I have a reservation for tonight. My name is Emma. I want a single room. I will stay 2 nights. I arrive early today. I need a quiet room, please.
Hello, Emma. Welcome to our hotel. Yes, I see your reservation here. You have a single room for 2 nights. Check-in is ready now. The room is quiet and clean.
Good morning. This is my first time here. The hotel looks nice and calm. I am a little tired from travel. I want to check in now. Can you help me, please?
Good morning, Emma. Of course, I can help you. Check-in is very easy. I just need your passport. Please sign here. Then I give you your room key.
Thank you. Can you tell me about the room? I want to know about the bed and the bathroom. I also need a desk. I work a little at night.
Yes, your room has a big bed. The bathroom is clean and simple. There is a small desk near the window. You can work there. The room is comfortable.
I have my key now. Where is the elevator? My bag is heavy. I do not want to use the stairs.
The elevator is on the left side. It is next to the front desk. You can use it anytime. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Excuse me. I want to ask about breakfast. What time is breakfast here? Is it included with the room?
Yes, breakfast is included. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. We have bread, eggs, fruit, and coffee. The breakfast room is on the 1st floor.
Hello again. I am in my room now. I need the Wi-Fi password. I want to use my phone and my laptop.
No problem. The Wi-Fi is free. The password is on the room card. The internet is strong and easy to use. Please tell me if you need help.
Hi, Oliver. The air in my room is a little warm. Can I use the air conditioner? I want the room to be cooler.
Yes, you can. The air conditioner control is on the wall. You can turn it on and set the temperature. If it does not work, please call us.
Hello. I hear some noise at night. It is a little hard to sleep. Is there a quieter room?
I am sorry about the noise. We have another room available. It is on a higher floor. It is very quiet. I can change your room now.
Thank you. Can someone help me with my luggage? My suitcase is heavy. I want to move to the new room.
Yes, of course. Our staff can help you. Please wait here for a moment. We will take your suitcase to the new room safely.
Good afternoon. I need more towels in my room. I also need some soap. Can you send them, please?
Yes, Emma. We can send towels and soap to your room. It will take about 10 minutes. Please relax and wait in your room.
Hi. I want my room to be clean today. What time does the cleaning service come?
The cleaning service comes in the morning. Usually, it is between 9 and 11. You can also ask for cleaning at the front desk.
Hello. I want to ask about the view. Does my room have a city view or a garden view?
Your room has a garden view. You can see trees and flowers. It is very nice in the morning. Many guests like this view.
Good evening. I need a wake-up call tomorrow. I have an early meeting. Can you call me at 6?
Yes, Emma. We can do that. I will set a wake-up call for 6 in the morning. The phone will ring in your room.
Hello. I want to check out tomorrow. What time is checkout? I want to plan my day.
Checkout time is at 11 in the morning. You can leave your luggage with us after checkout. Then you can come back later.
Hi. I am ready to check out now. I want to pay for my stay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card. I will prepare your bill now. Please check the amount on the screen. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for everything. Can you help me get a taxi to the airport? My flight is soon.
Yes, of course. I can call a taxi for you. It will arrive in 5 minutes. The airport is about 20 minutes away.
Goodbye, Oliver. I had a nice stay here. The hotel is clean and calm. I feel very happy.
Goodbye, Emma. Thank you for your kind words. We are happy you enjoyed your stay. Have a safe trip. We hope to see you again.